Good evening, everybody. It is 9:30 here in Florida, and I just thought I'd share something, pretty hilarious. Kim Mosley, she made a video, I don't know, quite a few months ago, and I made a video. It was of her husband hiccuping, and I'm telling you guys, I just laughed and laughed and laughed. It was so funny. And if you guys haven't heard this, y'all have to listen because y'all are going to get a real wonderful blessing out. It's going to make you laugh. And so she has pretty much got this video dedicated to me. Um, she says, "Hey, Sister Sherry, Andrew Rich, hubby hiccups reprise." And then she puts down here, she says she's got it pinned here, you guys. She says, it's so funny, I'm telling you right now. She says, "Poor Alex hubby chirps like a tiny bird when he hiccups. For those of you who thinks that is a grandchild with hiccups on the other side of that door, he. On the contrary, that's my 6'3" tall, 275 pound hubby. Sister Sherry loved the first time I shared Alex hiccup dilemma, so I couldn't resist to record it now." This is too funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to record this right now for you guys. And I says, "Oh my goodness, too funny. Off to make a video." So anyway, so here we go. Take a listen, guys. This is just hilarious.
Hey, Alex. Oh, goodness. Was that a little hiccup noise? I'm recording. I am. Oh, goodness. Are you in the laundry room? Oh, there you are. In the bathroom. Oh, my goodness. Alex? Oh, you poor little thing.
Tinkerbell thinks it's
He's just
funny
got
too,
terrible
you guys.
hiccups. Oh, honey, you're chirping like a little bird.
That's so funny.
Oh, it's so cute, Alex.
I'm going to back it up.
Are you in the laundry room? Oh, there you are. In the bathroom. Oh, my goodness. Alex? Oh, you poor little thing. He's just got terrible hiccups. Oh, honey, you're chirping like a little bird. Oh, it's so cute, Alex. Say hi, Sherry.
That's funny, you guys. Okay, yeah, that's funny. Anyways, okay.
Hey, guys.
I hope this gave you guys a little bit of a blessing tonight. A great big laugh. You guys have a great night. Amen and amen.